When I first found out that I had cancer by the surgeon, she was a lady, she gave us 2 names, and out of the clear blue we just decided Dr. Brown, and had never met him, so we went to meet him and immediately felt very, very comfortable, unafraid. He made me feel like this is going to be successful, and I have a son who's a surgeon, and I thought Dr. Brown could be my son because he just made me feel so extremely comfortable and confident in the treatment, and explained everything to me to perfection of what I was going to go through. Dr. Brown, when we first went in to meet him, first of all, the regular surgeon did not really like the thought of doing immediate reconstruction. Dr. Brown reassured us that that's the way it's done today. I called my son, who's a surgeon also, and he says, "That's the way it's done today, Mom." And Dr. Brown reassured me that even if a problem would surface, that it could easily be taken care of, even with immediate reconstruction. And I am so grateful that I had that, the starting of the reconstruction, rather than wait 6 months like some people did. I think the benefits that I have found since the procedure, somehow I was not apprehensive. The benefits I found was realizing that cancer can happen to anyone, even if no one in your entire family has had cancer. I was confident. I felt comfortable in talking to other people about it, and going through the whole procedure with Dr. Brown as my doctor. I felt very confident and comfortable in talking to other people who was going to go through the procedure. The benefit that I had of having the surgery made me realize that life goes on, and I felt very comfortable with the procedure that Dr. Brown did, and each time I went in, I felt like I was getting closer and closer to him. As a matter of fact, I would like to have adopted him as my son, but he really made me feel very confident, and the benefit that I had of having gone through it, and I went through it with really very little fear, was that I could give some confidence to other people as well. I really wasn't quite sure what to expect, but as the weeks went by and I saw the procedure, and I saw that my body was okay and that it was getting better with each treatment. And so I felt very feminine, and really had no sign of depression and Dr. Brown, bless his heart, was always there for me. He said, "If you need me in the middle of the night, call me." So I felt very confident knowing that I was in the best hands with Dr. Brown. When I found out that other people were going to have cancer surgery, breast cancer, I immediately called them and recommended Dr. Brown to them. Unfortunately, when I started with Dr. Brown, he was doing procedures at Banner Health down on Power, and then he changed and basically stayed in the Northwest Valley. So, which for some people would be, quite a trip. But I definitely would encourage Dr. Brown, even if they have to drive across the valley.